everyone, Kitini here, and today we'll be unboxing the Clef version of Stray Kids' mini album Levanter. I actually got the limited edition and the Levanter version last year when it came out in December, but it took me quite a while to get the Clef version, the white one. So I decided that it would be a good time now to kind of go through these two before I open up this one. It's just in time for the for Stray Kids' comeback on the 17th. Yeah, so they're coming back on the 17th, on June 17th, with their first full album, Go Live, and that's pretty exciting. So I decided, what better time to take a look at all of these again and open up this one than now. All right, so let's get into it. Okay, so now let's take a look at the limited edition. This was the first Stray Kids item that I ever bought. I got into them maybe November last year, so this was actually my first comeback with Stray Kids, and I have the inclusions just over there, but let's go through this one first. Okay. Oh, so here was the bookmark. Okay, so each version came with a calendar and the bookmark. So here I pulled the Miro bookmark, and let's just, even though I'm pretty sure everybody knows how the calendar looks like by now, let's just open this one up. So yeah, I have now I have 3 copies of this. So I'm not sure if this one was the one that was actually on my wall for a while. So you have the I'm not sure if you can see it all there. So you have the calendar with important dates for Stray Kids and Stray Kids fans, and over there we have the boys. Just over there. Okay, there. You can actually see it all there. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Alright, so let's just put this aside. And I got the Miro bookmark kind of thing. Oh, yeah. So let's actually take a look at that. So yeah, it's kind of like a bookmark thing, so you can attach it there. And then you have their handwriting here. It's not focusing well. Okay, there. So it's basically just Clear 1 Miro written on it. There you go. Okay, so let's get into the this one. So this one came with a, I know every album. Oh, that's how it looks like, the jacket, and then the cover. So I know that each version came with a random page. So for this version, I pulled Felix, which I don't mind at all. He looks so good there, and with his purple hair, that was really a good look on him. And then we have the photo book. So let's just move this one out of the way. Let's just put that down there. Okay. So you have all the boys over there. Then you have Bangchan. Bangchan is my third bias in Stray Kids. So yeah, Lino is actually my first bias in Stray Kids. So my biases are Lino, and then Han, and then Bangchan. And then we have Changbin. I actually really liked this photo shoot, this whole outdoorsy concept. I really like outdoors concept, so I really like this one. And there's Han, looking all soft. There's Felix with his purple hair. Seungmin. Here's Seungmin. I really actually like this vest aesthetic on him. And then Ayan. Ayan looks really good in pink hair, actually. And then you have Ayan and Bangchan. And then you have Seungmin, Hyunjin, and Lino. Cute. And then you have Felix, Han, and Bangchan. Changbin, sorry. all of them. You make Stray Kids Day. One of this line is dedicated to the fans stay, and I really actually love it. I love it when I see it like flashed on screen after like music videos and teasers. Okay, so that was like the bright outdoorsy photo in the fields, and this is like hanging out near a cabin. Okay, then we have this thing. It looks so good here. Hannah's always wearing some sort of weird cap, but Ian in that cap, that beret thing, looks so cute. And then we have thanks tos, which they put with the individual shots. That was Bangchan and Lino. And you have Changbin's and Hyunjin's, Hans. Oh, he looks so cute here. He really looks like a squirrel. Felix, Sunmin's. This is a really nice picture by Ian. It's his pink hair here. It makes him look so soft. And then, oh yeah, so this is the lyrics. So this is the lyrics to, was it Stop? Yeah. What's amazing about Stop is that, for the intro Stop, is that it's like a continuation of The Road Not Taken from Yellowwood, the intro for Yellowwood. So I thought that was pretty amazing. Oh, he looks so good here. Track list for Booster. I really like Booster. Han and his weird hat thing again. Then Hyunjin. Astronaut was a pretty fun song. It was actually a very nice summery song. Very on Stray Kids actually. But then, wait, sorry. It looks so good here. But then it goes to show that Stray Kids really can do a variety of genres, which is amazing. And one of the reasons why I love them. So that's the end. And then you have the CD over here. So there you go. Oops. Levanter. Then let's put this back. Okay. There you go. Let's put back this ad. And yeah, so the limited edition looks like this in front. And then here's the spine. And then here is the back with the track list over here. I loved all of the songs in this album. Okay, so that was the limited edition. So now let's go through all the stuff that I went through, that I got with this one. I actually got the IN lenticular, but I have since sold it to someone who would be able to take care of him more. So yeah, so you got a unit poster, so let's just move these out of the way. So I got 3 Racha. So you have Changbin, Han, and Bangchan. I pulled Changbin's name card over there, and then Sungmin's, one of Sungmin's close-up cards. And I was really happy to see that I pulled one of my biases. I pulled Han's really close-up card with the weird hat thing. So yeah, so those were basically my pulls from the limited edition, along with the IN lenticular, which has now gone to a better home. Alright, now let's take a look at what I got, and let's take a look at the Levanter version of the album. So, so this is how it looks like. If the limited edition was darker, so this one is just plain blue. Then you have the spine over here, and then you have the track list. I really liked Double Knot, actually. I really love Stop. as I said earlier, Levanter. Levanter was different. It was pretty soothing. It was beautiful. Booster was fun. I actually really liked Sunshine also, and You Can Stay. I like the little MV that they also released for this. I kind of teared up a bit. So yeah. So let's go through this thing. So for the fold-out poster, I got Bangchan, and I was super happy about this because he is my third bias. Oh, it says here, I feel the light, and I want to be myself over there, which are actually part of the lyrics of Levanter. Bangchan and Ian. So you have Lino and Sungmin, Changbin and Felix. Oh, this is a darker photo shoot, more of the more from the cabin thing. Hyunjin and Han, and all of them. Then you have the outdoorsy shoot. Ian and Bangchan. Then you have Ian. Then you have Hyunjin, Sungmin, and Lino. Then you have Lino. The pictures are actually quite similar to each other, the photo shoots, but then I know that they're different in a way. So Felix, Han, and Changbin. Is that Changbin? Yeah, it is. A very close-up picture of Changbin. Han in that fluffy looking sweater. And then Felix. I really like his hairstyle like that. It's really nice. And then I think this is the same. And then you have the ad. Thanks to's, Changbin's, Hyunjin's, Han's. Yeah, I think the thanks to's are the same. And I think these are the same also. Yeah, so I kind of just flipped through that pretty fast. So here is the CD for this one. Okay, let's just put that back. And yeah, so let's take a look at my pulls. So I actually got another Miro bookmark. Oh, it's upside down. Here, I got another Miro bookmark. And then for photo cards, I pulled Sungmin again, but this is like his waist up photo card. And then I pulled Ian's blue border. And then I also pulled Hyunjin's waist up. Yeah, so actually these are all up for trade because I'm only collecting Bangchan, Lino, and Han, and I'm actually looking to trade this one for I believe a Levanter version, because I think that's the only bookmark I'm missing now to complete the set. Alright, so let's now get into the actual unboxing, the one for the Kpop version. Alright, and now for the main event of this video, I'm finally going to be unboxing the Kpop version of this album. So as you can see, I actually pulled the yellow wood bookmark. So I have the Miro bookmark and the yellow wood, so I'm just missing the Levanter bookmark. So let's just put this aside. I actually kind of opened this a bit already, just so that it would be easier to open. At least I hope so. Okay. there you go. So there you have it. So you have the front of the album, then you have the side, the spine, and then here is the back. Okay, hold on, let me just see if I can take out my random stuff. Hold on. I took out all the random stuff, so now we can actually go ahead and look through this. I'm so excited. I'm looking at this for the first time. Well, I've seen other unboxings, but yeah, I've been super excited to open this ever since it arrived. So yeah, so I had Felix first page, a Bangchan first page, and let's see who I got now. Sungmin! Sungmin! I always pull Sungmin. Okay, it's going to be really funny if I pull more Sungmin cards. That's just gonna be super funny. But I love him, and I love him in this vest. It's a nice aesthetic on him, and I like that scarf a lot. Okay, so let's go through this. So you have Bangchan, Ian in that sweater. Okay, this one is falling off, so let's put that there. Ian, Bangchan. Oh, Lino. Lino looks so good. Then you have Hyunjin, Sungmin, Hyunjin, and Lino. Okay. Changbin, Han, Felix, Han, and Changbin. Then you have this group shot, another group shot. Then you have Bangchan and Lino, the two oldest ones, and then you have Changbin, Hyunjin, Han, and Felix, Sungmin, and then Ian. Was this in age order? Interesting. And then you have the thanks tos. So okay, so we know that all of this is the same, but all the same, let's just quickly go through them. Oh, this picture of Han is just so adorable, so precious. Felix, Sungmin, Ian. Again, I cannot get enough of this picture. It's so beautiful. Actually, his lenticular was really pretty as well. Ian. This looks like it came from the set of Double Knot. Actually, I think most of this, it looks like it came from Double Knot for some odd reason. Not this one though. I don't think. Or is it? I'm not sure. Okay. And then you have the end credits. And then you have the CD. Oh, this is a really gorgeous CD. Oh, that's really pretty. Now, I don't understand what took me so long to actually go ahead and buy this. As I said in a previous video, usually if I don't get like all at once, then it takes me a long time to actually go get all the versions. And let's see who I pull. This is exciting. It's kind of stuck together. I don't know why. So let's see who I pull. Oh my gosh. So I pulled Sungmin's gray border. Seriously, if this turns out to be mostly Sungmin, it's gonna be so funny. Sungmin, and then I have Hyunjin. I also pull Hyunjin a lot. That's really funny. And then, oh my gosh, I am so happy. I finally have a Lino photo card from this album. Yes, I am super happy. Yes, I am really happy with this. So there you go. So I have Lino's really close-up one. I have Sungmin's gray border photo card and the Hyunjin's name one. So yep. So Hyunjin and Sungmin are portrayed for any Bangchan, Han, and Lino photo cards that I don't have. So I'm super glad that I actually pulled in this entire haul, in this entire album, all the versions, I actually pulled Lino and Han, and oh my gosh, I'm just so happy that I have a Lino photo card. Oh my goodness. I am very, very happy about this. So yeah, basically that was it for this version, the Colette version of Colette Levanter. Yes. And yeah, so that was it for my unboxing of this version actually, but I'm glad that we were able to go through all of them and to see everything. So yeah, so I'm super glad that again I have Han and Lino, and that I actually pulled a Bangchan first page. So I don't really trade for first pages because it's a little bit of a hassle, but I am looking for another bookmark. I'm looking for the Levanter version. So if anyone wants to trade with me or anything, let me know. And yeah, so Sungmin, all the Sungmins, Ayan, Hyunjin, and Changbin are up for trade for their Bangchan, Han, and Lino counterparts. And of course, I'm super happy that I pulled two of my biases, my first bias and my second bias. Well, actually, if you include Bangchan and the Three Racha poster, then I actually pulled one of each in a way for my biases. But yeah, but basically that was it for my unboxing of Stray Kids' Colette version of Colette Levanter. And yeah, so I hope that you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!